Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build an entire website in under 5 minutes using artificial intelligence, AI. So when most people think about building a business, the first thing that comes to their mind is setting up their website. Traditionally, this process has been quite tedious, expensive, and time consuming because there's so many choices out there in the marketplace. You got companies like Wix, you got Squarespace, you got WordPress, and you even have a company like GoDaddy, which does web hosting. Those tools are great. The challenge here is that you have to find somebody that is a good web designer that will come in and design the website for you. So you might have to hand over the task to somebody. So signing up for like a Squarespace or Wix is the easy part. So the designing part is where a lot of the expenses start to accrue, as you need to find a good designer that can design a website that can get you the clients that you need for your business. There's this tool called durable.co, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description of this video so you can access this website as well. So let's go through the pricing and also what they have to offer. They have a startup package, and then they have a business package. And the startup package goes for $12 a month, and the business package goes for $20 a month. But personally, I think the starter package will do just fine. And as you can see, the $12 a month is if you pay for the entire year upfront, or you have this option right here where you can pay $15 a month, month to month. You can get a custom domain name, which is fantastic. You get a chat onboarding, email support, 50 contacts, SSL certificate, search engine optimization. To me, that's really all you need. So I'm curious how much a domain name would cost if you were to buy it through Durable. It says here custom domains are free with any Durable plan. That's fantastic. So it means that even if you go for this package right here, which is $15 a month, which I highly recommend, you get your domain name for free. So that's a win. So let's start building our website. You can either click on this button right here or click on the build your site button right up top to the top right. So let's click on build your site and see what happens. Once you click on that, there's a message that says build a website in 30 seconds using AI. That's fantastic. That's actually less than the 5 minutes that I promised. So let's just get started. Click on get started. This is something very new. With most website builders, they can't tell where you are. I'm in the city of Lawrenceville, Georgia, and apparently it's figured out my IP address that I'm in the city of Lawrenceville, Georgia. So it says, what type of business are you building? So I'm in the home health care industry. So I'm going to type in home health care and click on next. Next question I get is, what's the name of your agency, or what's the name of your business? So I'm just gonna use my first name. So I'll type in Mufaro Agency, then click on next. Now it's just generating the site automatically. It's gonna take a few seconds. Wow, that took less than 15 seconds. It says your website is ready. So let's see our website, what it looks like. So this is what our website looks like. It says here the name of my agency up top here. It says Lawrenceville Home Health Care, and it automatically writes a description of what my agency does. Automatically, I don't have to worry about it. So previously, if I was to build a website using the other tools that are on the marketplace, like a Wix or a Squarespace, I'd have to figure out what to write. But in this case, artificial intelligence has figured it out for me. That saves me a ton of time. This is beautiful. Okay, scroll down. Oh, I don't like this section, but I can always change it. I guess this button right here allows me to change it. Okay, there's a section right here. And as you can see, there's a section right here that talks about the services that I have to offer: home health aid, skilled nursing, physical therapy. If I don't offer physical therapy, obviously I can remove that. I don't particularly like this section where people contact me anyhow. Instead, what I like to do is I like to put a calendar scheduling tool like a Calendly, which is a free tool that allows for somebody to book a time on my calendar, and I'm notified and they're notified on the time that I'm going to call them. So let's see how easy it is for me to remove a section. So let's say, for example, I don't like this section right here. Can I regenerate it? Okay, it regenerates the section. Overall, I like this design, but let's see if we can do another design that is similar to this one. And the way to do that is to go up top here and just click on regenerate. So let's click on that. And what it's doing now, it's regenerating the site with new copy, with fresh copy, fresh images, and a fresh design. Wow, that was wonderful. Again, it took less than 10 seconds. Let's see our website. Okay, I like the color up here. Oh, I really like this. There's a contact button. This is beautiful. Much better images, as you can see, much better images. Let's see if we can remove this contact us section. And the way to do that is you come up top here and you click on customize. It'll force you to sign up for an account. You can put your email and password, come up with a password. Or in my case, what I want to do is I want to sign up with a Google account. So I'll sign up with Google and I'll pick one of my emails. There you go. I've signed up and I'm in. So let's play around with it a little bit where it says go to business. I'm going to click on that. So it looks like here we can actually start customizing our website if we want to. So let's scroll down a little bit and look for the section that says contact us. Okay, so this section right here, if I want to duplicate it, what I would simply do is I would click on this. That duplicates the section. As you can see, now I have two of these sections. But let's say I want to delete both of them. I'll just click on this little icon right here, the trash icon, and delete that. I'll delete the second one again. There you go. So let's scroll up again. As you can see, that section is gone. Now, let's say I wanted to rewrite the section about us. I can click on the little pencil icon, click on that, and then it'll take me to the section right here where I can edit. I can change things up. See that? Then I can even change the color if I wanted to. Super simple. So let's say this section, I want to update it a little bit. I can come to the top right here under where it says settings. If you click on settings, you can update this contact us button. You can update the color of it. Say I want to make it a little darker. If I wanted to make it blue, see that? Hit save. So right now the preview that we're looking at is for desktop. So let's say we wanted to change that and see what our website looks like on mobile devices, because most of the traffic, like I said, is going to be coming from mobile devices. So let's click on that and you can preview that by going down here where it says phone portrait. And this is what my website will look like on a mobile device. Pretty nice. Okay, let's take that back. Desktop. So if I wanted to regenerate the entire theme again, all I would do is just click on that. Let's exit the editor. When you exit the editor, it'll take you to the back end where you can preview more awesome stuff. But first, I want to show you the analytics right here. Most platforms don't have this. I know that for a fact, where you can actually see how many people have visited your website, how many page views. So the settings is actually my favorite section because here it says your website is currently private. You can change that. And the way to change that, here's where you can actually set your website to go public. And if you click on public, what will happen is you will have to sign up and upgrade to either the starter package or the business package. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Here is where you can actually select a domain. They will create some suggestions of the domain name that are available that match your agency name. Photo agency is actually available. So if I want to get it, I would just click on get it, and then I'll have to upgrade. So let's say I have a domain name that I've thought about that is much better than Mufado Agency. All I'll do is just come down here and type in a different name, MufadoHomeCare.com. Then I'll search for it here, see if it's available. And sure enough, it's available. And if I wanted that, I'll click on get it and then upgrade. If you already have an existing domain, you can link that existing domain right here through like a GoDaddy or something like that. You can do that right there. The section is where you can actually preview your website, what it looks like. You can regenerate it, edit it if you want to. If you're doing marketing, you're doing paid ads on social, Facebook ads, for example, or Google advertising, which is what we recommend, then all you need to do is upgrade, make sure your domain is in place. You've seen the website, you've been able to build it, and you have control over the design of your website. It's super important to have that design because you never want to pay somebody a monthly fee to do something this simple. I hope you got some value from this video. And if you're interested in growing your home care agency and are ready to get these private paying home care clients using Google advertising, then I highly recommend you check out our course that we've created in the description of this video that will show you how to get home care clients that are private paying using Google advertising. We'll set up the Google advertising for you while you're learning how to do it. Schedule some time if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.